Hello, today I am making a video on how to replace the retractable handle of suitcases. I have an interesting story to tell. When my daughter first went to study overseas, we bought her one of the best suitcases available, Lojel. It was so lasting that even after her graduation, she used it for many years. And when she bought a new one, because that one looks a bit old-fashioned, they passed it to us and we continued to use it. So it lasted us more than 10 years, maybe 15 years. But one day at the supermarket, we saw a suitcase shop giving an offer to trade in our old Lojel for a new Lojel. Well, I couldn't resist the offer, so I did. And we bought 2 Lojel suitcases. But it turns out that after 2 years, the rollers and the handles start to fall apart. The plastic that the handles are made of and the rollers that has a rim of tires, they just melt, and eventually the handle just broke. So we were sorely disappointed because we trusted the brand. When we call up the sole agent regarding the rollers and the handlebars, then I was told that is warranted only for 2 years. Beyond that, they do not warranty. And to get them to repair, of course, will cost money, and I found out that it's not cheap. So I decided to repair it by myself. And this is the first part which I will share, how to replace the retractable handle. And it can be done quite easily and cheaply. Now, replacing the rollers is quite difficult because I can buy the wheels, but I can't buy the hub which the wheels are attached to. That is a specific design, so I have to keep the hub and adapt the new wheels to it. That I did successfully, and I'm using the bags again. So I feel that the kind of marketing strategy today, perhaps my guess is right, that if a product is so good that it lasts forever and ever, they will have less to sell and less profits. So they must have some way to encourage us to discard our purchases earlier and get new ones. But this to me is really not a sustainable model of industry, because we are talking about saving the environment. So we should try and maintain what we have as long as possible, and not just to discard them for new fashion, or just simply because certain brands are motivated by profits to have such a marketing strategy. So I hope this video will help, because it is quite easy to replace, and it's quite easy to buy those parts, especially online. And I bought the parts for the retractable handle from Shopee, and the product came from air flown from China, and it took only less than 5 days. Thank you.
Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing your peace